Clontarf Fellows and Academy meet Young Australian of the Year. Year 7 and 8 take a visit to Hammonsburg. Highlights of the Eora Athletics Carnival. Police visit Eora. The big game comes to Alice. Year 7 and 8 give a lending hand to the Finke Desert Race community. Good morning, I'm Lashes Jones and Misha Willigram with Eora News. Last week, Clontarf Fellows and Academy ladies were invited along by Mayor Damien Ryan to attend a talk by two Young Australian of the Year who started Orange Sky Laundry. It was a great night with everyone participating and listening really well to the guest speaker. After the speaker has finished the presentation, the ladies and fellows interacted with other attendees and guests. Last Friday was the Great Athletics Carnival with Fleming the winning house. Let's check it out.
Last week, all the Year 7s and 8s went to Hammonsburg for a visit. It was a great day and the students enjoyed meeting all the students at the school. After a scenic bus ride, the students visited the historic buildings where the first missionaries set up the school, church and medical clinic. The students loved seeing the old buildings and all the old tools they used for making shoes, cooking and sewing clothes. The students then visited Dari School where they learned about the horse program and the Anzac ride. It was great to see the photos of the ride and learn about all the details that go into making the Anzac Day ride a success. The horse program is really well designed and the students make saddles as well as break in the horses, learn to ride and learn horse care. A big thanks to Hammonsburg and the staff and students at their school for welcoming Yara and teaching us about your programs.
The Melbourne Demons beat Port Power this Saturday at 1:40 p.m. at Traeger Park. However, our student has been invited to attend the AFL Super Clinic from 12 to 1 p.m. at Traeger Park today. The Minister for Sport and Recreation will be hosting a lunch, meet and greet with the Melbourne Football Club along with an AFL Super Clinic, which is open to the whole community along with a free sausage sizzle.
Last week, Alice Springs Police visited the Year 7s and 8s to talk about social media safety. The students learned about why it's so important to be aware of dangers of social media and how to be as safe as possible when using it. It was a very interesting session for all the students. Some of the main messages that the students got out of the talk was never share personal information such as birth dates, password, phone number or home addresses online. Thank you to the Alice Springs Police for visiting Yara and teaching us about dangers of social media.
The Year 7 and 8 fellows from the Yara Clontarf Academy gave a lending hand to the Finke Desert Race Committee. 14 fellows volunteered to help prepare bags for this year's competitions. The lads all learned that there are about 470 people competing on motorbikes and around 140 in cars, buggies and trucks in this year's 41st Finke Desert Race. They asked questions about price, money and what age you have to be to compete in the bikes and cars. Both groups of fellows worked extremely well to get the required jobs complete and afterward had the opportunity to go out on the track to see where competitors race their prologue times. Most of our fellows have never been to the event before and volunteering for the Finke Desert Race sparked some excitement amongst the group as they learned more about the big race. That's news. Now to sports. Here's Mia.
Tuesday, St. Joseph played our very own Brumbies. The results were Brumbies 4 goals, 3 behind 27, defeated by St. Joseph 5 goals, 6 behind 36. Goal kickers, Mishai Jr., Taikin and Severio. Best players, Silvani and Jr. Now to weather, here's Aaron. Today we can expect a high of 24 degrees, Saturday 23 and Sunday 27. Monday a high of 25 degrees, that's weather. Let's check out what's happening in Alice with Chantel.
Coming to Alice, the Circus Oz. The brand new Circus Oz show rockets into the Araloon Arts Centre soon. This is an exciting mix of skills, comedies and live music. We will keep you posted.
That's your news for the 27th of May 2016.
A big call out to family and friends at Elliot. Deuces. Be kind to each other.
We will catch y'all next week. Bye.
See ya.
Deuces.